Hello guys, review my phone Samsung Galaxy A20. Start unpacking. Open box with completion. In completion we have guarantee papers, device in the blue color. In completion we have adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable and this key for SIM slot. Okay, device made of plastic. On the front side display 6.2 inch, front camera and talk speaker. On the left side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and volume keys. Back side double camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. Upside without controls. Downside headphone jack, USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Turn on device. Open settings. About phone. Android 9, version 1.1, version OX 3.3. Okay, close. Test Geekbench 4. CPU Samsung Exynos 7884. This is octa-core processor for 6 plus 2 cores, 1.6 CPU speed, 2 cores, and 6 cores CPU speed 1.3 GHz. GPU Mali G71. Display resolution and display PPA. Okay, Super AMOLED Matrix. Look results, CPU test results, and GPU test results. Close this, open next test. AnTuTu benchmark, look AnTuTu score. AnTuTu score. Ranking. Okay, and device support 5 touches. Okay, next test, game test. Open PUBG Mobile, demanded game, and PUBG Mobile. And I show you gameplay. Game load. Gameplay. Look graphics. Graphics HD, medium graphics, and high frame. Okay. On this graphic level game work norm. We can play. Not perfect, smooth, but this good gameplay. Okay. PUBG Mobile works good. And now talk about camera. Main camera 13.5 megapixels, front camera 8 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.